So here I have the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus plastic mock-up showcasing near final design, and Apple have done some massive changes in there. The rear design now has a vertical camera setup similar to the iPhone 10, 10s Max. Side got volume keys, an action button which can be now used to trigger different functions like turning on flashlight or translate, and yes, you guys can silence your device as well. The shocking changes below the power key, we have a capture button which is gonna be touch sensitive. So I guess it is gonna shoot instant photos